Hi guys, welcome back. So, just been out checking on the sweet corn. These were the second batch. Seems all the pollen's gone off these, and I'm not sure if it's pollinated these because of the rain. But I went to go and have a look at the first batch, see if they're ready to be picked. And I noticed his mice have found them. So, gone through, got all of them picked. Luckily, it's just these two that have been damaged. Eating it right down to the bottom there. So, got the rest of these picked. So, still managed to get quite a few small ones, but mainly about that size. I think there's 23 there. So, I'll get them wrapped and blanched and frozen for use over the winter. And I'm also going to go and harvest some of the tomatoes from the small polytunnel and get that ready for planting. We've got some lettuce and beetroot to go in here over winter. See quite a few tomatoes on there ready to be picked. Spiders still here. So we'll get all set up in here and get these tomatoes picked and get the ground ready for planting a row of lettuce and a row of beetroot. Right then guys, so just picking a few of these tomatoes here now. We'll get these cleared up. And then we've got some lettuces to plant in here. And some beetroot to plant in probably a week's time. But first off, I'm just going to harvest all these tomatoes. And if you haven't already guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's a big red button at the bottom of the screen there. It doesn't cost anything and really helps out the algorithm of the channel. If you just hit that like button and drop me a comment, that would be absolutely amazing. And I'm going to have a go at making some tomato sauce with all of these. Hopefully get that done tonight. But I'm definitely happy with how the tomatoes have done this year. It's the best that they've ever done for me. Last year they didn't do so great, but this year they have done absolutely amazing. Cannot fault them. Right, so going to be planting some lettuce. Just going to put a couple of plants here and a couple up there. Right, so I'll just move the camera in and carry on from there. Right then guys, so what we're going to do here is add a couple of handfuls of fish blood and bone. And I'll just give it a good mixing in. I'll just pull out any of the excess roots, stones, twigs, anything like that. Now these are a red salad bowl, cut and come again. So you can see the multi-sown in each cell. And I'm going to plant these quite close together because I'll just use them as a cut and come again over the next couple of weeks. And hopefully, with the weather milding up, we shouldn't have any issues with bolting or anything. And this should provide us with some nice salad, leafy greens over the next couple of weeks. So just give them good soaking in, and they will sulk for a few days and then they'll perk back up. But they should do okay in here over the next couple of weeks. Right then guys, so that's about it from this one. Lovely harvest of tomatoes there again. And with the ones that are in the fridge, there'll be more than enough here to do tomato sauce. And a nice batch of salads planted. And in the next week or two, we'll get the beetroot in and think about maybe pulling some of these tomatoes out. But that's it for this one today. Thanks for watching. Please don't remember to hit that subscribe button down the bottom. We've just hit 500, so that's brilliant news. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.